All right, let's go on. Do you like to eat fish?
Yes, I do like to eat fish because it's very delicious, and I like fry fish,
Okay.
and I because I make it easily at home
Okay.
by
All right.
myself.
Would you like to keep fish at home as a pet?
No, I don't like to carry a fish at home because it's very difficult to feed it like a pet.
Okay. Would you like to go for fishing?
Yes, I like to go fishing in my countryside. There are a lot of places we fishing there.
We can fish
We,
there. Okay. Do you like fish and chips?
I like fish
Fish
because
fingers, yeah. But
yes,
the fish don't have fingers. Anyways, you like fish fingers?
yes, because it's very yummy. I also like fries.
Okay.
Uh,
All right, that's good. But there are issues with fluency. You say, try to overcome that. And fluency comes when you practice. Okay. So you should practice these topics and you're going to be fluent, right? Thank you so much. Now we come here. What's your topic, ma'am? What is your topic number?
Topic number?
Yeah, the one you were reading there.
I'm just
No.
reading generally.
Okay. All right. Let's make a start. Okay. What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
I generally like to wear comfy clothes because I'm a stay-at-home mom. So I really like to wear what is comfortable for me at that time. But yes, it depends on occasion. If I have to attend some sort of parties or some sort of functions, then the clothes will be definitely according to the theme the uh, or according to the function
Yeah, according to the formality level of that
formality level.
function. Okay. Do you prefer to wear comfortable clothes or fashionable clothes?
Uh, I prefer to wear comfortable clothes because comfort zone gives you more space to do more things. Fashionable clothes depends on the situation I am in. For example, if I have to go to my friends to meet them or for dinners, so I will definitely prefer to wear fashionable clothes.
Okay, one last question. How often do you go for shopping for clothes?
Well, being a mom, I get a chance to go for shopping twice or thrice a month because of lots of reasons. So, yes, for your answer, I will say that I often go 2 or 3 times a month.
Okay, so first thing is fluency. Second is organization of your answer. Try to use at least 4 5 different words which are related to the question in your answer and
Okay.
practice these topics so that you become fluent in them, right? Thank you. Let's go on. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I like to listen music, and I also learn music, and I also join classes, online classes. Uh,
Okay,
for
what is your favorite musical instrument?
I like to learn piano, and I also join classes for piano.
I need full answer. What's your favorite musical instrument? I love the piano, and I've already joined online classes for piano. Piano has been my favorite musical instrument since my childhood. I really like the sound of it. So, whenever I play piano, it is very satisfying for me. So, to answer your question, piano is my most favorite, intensity, most favorite musical instrument. Okay, let's go on. Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing. Um,
Yes, I like singing. Sometimes when I'm all alone and there is no one around me, then I take a risk and sing. Just speak, okay? Don't worry. I mean, they will not check the facts. You just need to answer 5 to 6 beautiful sentences, present them in front of the examiner. Okay, I changed the question now. Do you prefer to listen to slow music or fast music?
I prefer to listen slow music because it's feel calm and relax. Uh,
Okay, so at the moment your answers are short. You need to focus on the content of your answer and practice these topics so that you become familiar with them. Your English is good. Okay, the problem is not with that. Let's go on. Do you like to stay in a place with a lot of noise?
Yes, I like to stay away from noise
No, no,
because
no. The question is, do you like to stay in a place with a lot of noise? So you should say, no, I don't like that. Something like that. So please carry on.
I cannot concentrate on my work, and I really like to stay at quiet places.
Okay, so I need at least 4 or 5 sentences, and these sentences should be well coordinated, and you have to give them to me in one go, right? Let's go on. What kind of noises are there in your hometown?
There are different types of noises in my hometown, like traffic horns or noises on construction sites, and
Okay, you're taking too much time to produce the answer. And you need to elaborate. As you said, traffic horns, elaborate a little. Then, second, you can see there are so many aeroplanes around. Like my house is near the airport, and there is a flight after every 30 minutes. That is another noise. And you can talk about some factories and all that, okay? But your answer should be given in one go, right? Okay, one more question. Uh, do you think there is too much noise today or in today's world?
yes, I really think there's a lot of noise in today's world because as mm, there are a lot of cars on road, so it makes more noise
Okay, this better. So
than
you
in
need
the
to
past.
actually come up with ideas. You've got the book, practice all these topics from the book, and you'll be fine, right? Thank you so much. All right. Do people in your country prefer to drink tea or coffee?
In my country, the people mostly people they want to drink tea. Normally, they take tea in maybe in a 2 or 3 times in a day, and but I prefer like to be drink coffee.
Okay, that's good. Overall, fine. Just try to add a couple of sentences and focus people only, right? Now, let's go on. Do you prefer to eat anything with tea or like biscuits or snacks?
I prefer to eat a biscuit, biscuit with a tea,
Or
or
I thought maybe
or
oranges, bananas with
no,
tea. They're very nice
no,
combination. Okay.
croissants or maybe a piece of cake. So I will prefer to go for that.
All right. Try to speak more. Try to add at least a couple of sentences in each of your
I
answers.
want to have, but I don't know when I start speaking, so my heartbeat is going to be very hard. Yeah,
Ah.
I have a problem, I'm
It
facing
means
this
it
problem.
means you are in love.
Maybe because of
If
this.
your heartbeat is very fast, so you are in love, right? Okay, don't worry. Just try to handle the question. Now, let's go on. Do you invite your friends to have tea or coffee?
So many times, so I have, because I got a lot of friends. I'm I have a very big friendship circle, so I invited my
I
friends.
invite my friends.
I invite my friends so many times, especially in a weekend. So we get together and we have a special meal or tea or coffee. Or
That's good. Do you know how to make tea?
I will, yeah, I know how to make a tea.
Yeah, elaborate.
Yeah,
Do you
I,
know how to make tea? Oh, yes, I'm
oh
really good
yes,
at making tea and I make lovely tea.
yeah,
Something like that.
especially zafrani tea, because
Okay.
that is very famous in Dubai. You know that.
Okay, I'll give you some homework. You will bring a kettle of tea in the class.
Definitely,
Just
I'll
kidding.
bring for
No,
you.
no, no, no. Just kidding. Yeah, that's good. So, listen, at the moment, your answers are short. So, try to speak more and control your heartbeat also. And in actual exam, if you have this heartbeat issue, they will give you some time. Tell them I've got this heartbeat issue.
I think because of this mic, side,
Because of
things.
mic, you have the
Yeah,
heartbeat. Ah, all right. Okay, don't worry. Thank you. So one of
Thank you,
my
sir.
friends, he had heartbeat issue when he got engaged. Okay. All right. Thank you.